Now let's take a look at this figure 17-5A from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And notice in the note it states for the rating of a circuit breaker, see 490.21A4 and 230.208B. Now, 490.22A deals with circuit breakers and how you would use them in a system. But here, A4, we're using it as an oil type circuit breaker. And in 230.208B, it says the 125% rule does not exist because you do not have to derate the loading of the circuit breaker 80% in accordance with the requirements in that section. Now you have an inspection window here, you see, in 490.4, and you can look into that inspection window to see if the system has been disconnected. The busway now is the feeder side, 230.43, item 9. The service wiring method then is in 368.1 and 230.208. Now notice the feeder protection to the right at the bottom, where you have your concrete confinement area, is 240.101. For exceptions to the disconnect rule, see 225.51 exception and 230.204A exception. And then, of course, the isolation switch on the line side of the circuit breaker, 490.22. Now, this figure 17.5A is illustrating using an all-type circuit breaker is a disconnecting means. But notice that the confinement area has to be sized in such a manner that if a leak developed of any kind, leakage, that the confinement area would contain the oil and it would not spread across the floor or any other area. And that's what this figure is illustrating.